Hello guys, in this guide, I'll show you how to use SpaceDesk to turn your Android phone, tablet or Windows laptop into a second monitor for your Windows PC. First, download and install the SpaceDesk driver on your Windows PC. Open your web browser, visit spacedesk.net. Click download and install the driver that matches your version of Windows. Once the installation is complete, open the SpaceDesk driver console from the start menu and make sure the driver status is set to on. Next, install the SpaceDesk Viewer app on the device you want to use as your second monitor. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, download it from the Google Play Store. If you're using a Windows laptop, install SpaceDesk Viewer from the Microsoft Store. Before connecting, make sure both your Windows PC and the second device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. SpaceDesk uses your local network to establish the connection. Now, open the SpaceDesk Viewer app on your phone, tablet or laptop. Your Windows PC should automatically appear in the list of available devices. Tap or click your computer to connect. After a few seconds, your Windows desktop will appear on the second device. If you're using a laptop as the second monitor, you can switch the SpaceDesk viewer to full screen mode for a better viewing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.